I should be the only guy who's trying to get a hold of her. Yeah. And here lately, she's been acting real distant. When she'll deny me for sex, she don't want to be too physical with me. When I confront her about problems, she's real short with me. I try to talk to her.
So you've noticed that. How long have you been with her?
A year and a half.
A year and a half, and you have a child with her?
Yeah. Yeah.
How many children does she have with the old boyfriend?
Just one.
Just one, I see. Well, so you want to find out from this guy what's going on?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Well, here he is. Here's Damon.
Why not finding pictures of you on her Snapchat, man? Why are you showing us on her Snapchat? That's disrespectful, man.
She's not happy with you, man.
How do you know, man? That's our relationship. You always have nothing to do with it.
She's always complaining to me about it, man. You know, she's not happy. She's, texting me all of the night, calling me. She doesn't want to be with you.
You've been sleeping with her? Tell me man to man, father to father. You getting with my girl?
My daughter's 4th birthday. Me and her cleaning up the party. We got at it. Had some sex.
Oh, really?
Why she contacted me? What are you doing good enough for her?
I do everything for her, man. I take care of your daughter when I'm at home. You're a part-time dad.
Oh, I'm
a full-time dad.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Everybody good?
She's been telling me that you're a 5-minute man, but I'm all night.
That's why you got her pregnant the first time you had sex with her.
But you know what? She's still coming back to me. She's running away from me, though.
Does she say she wants to be with you?
Obviously so. Why is she contacting me if she doesn't want to be with
Because
you?
she has a child with you. So I understand the context. What I'm saying is, when she talks to you, does she say, gosh, I'd love to meet him and be with you? Does she really tell you that?
No, but she's always complaining about him. Telling me that he's not doing good enough for her, not standing up for him or the kids. Why?
Dude, I do everything for them kids. I'm the one that brings the bath towel to your daughter after she get out the bath. I have a tablet for her birthday for her to learn stuff. I take care of her when she's sick.
That's why I'm taking care of her. Whenever you wear a picture,